Hi, so this is a quick overview on our app, Quenchana. So first, the farmer is going to input the crop they normally use. So for example, let's use rice. And let's say they have a farm in Laguna. So here they're presented with three options: crop prices, weather info, and farming techniques. Let's try prices. So right now, as you can see, it's actually feeding uh, the context, which is Rice and Laguna, into QN. And also, aside from prompt engineering and injecting a lot of different data from different kinds of APIs, such as weather information, uh, economy information with regards to selling crops, and also farming techniques. So we'll go into that real quick. So here, as you can see, um, for rice in Laguna for crop price. It gives you essentially a TLDR. So they're talking to the farmer and it's giving them a basic overview on what they need to do at this exact moment in time with the given data set. So here, magbenta ng kung kailangan dahil presyo ng palay ay mataas, pero posibleng bumaba dahil sa panahon at paparating na ani. So essentially, they're telling us that it's really good to sell right now with the current economy. So, for example, I want to ask, um, but should I worry about, siguro we can speak in Tagalog. Dapat bang pag-isipan ko ang typhoon? So, this is a bit out of scope, but when we try sending the message, it's going to feed it into QN. And let's wait for it to respond. And yes, it actually replied to our concern on top of the consolidated data. So, oo, dapat pag-isipan ng bagyo, may epekto to sa presyonan. So basically, it's your personal AI assistant, which is meant for farmers. So, here we can see that it's actually backed by data and concrete data. So, yeah, let's go back to the main menu. Let's try a different scenario. So, uh, let's try strawberries. And in Baguio, since Baguio is very well known for ano, strawberry. So let's say weather info. So yeah, so as you can see, it actually got the context that it was in Baguio, and Baguio is presumed to be cold or malamig, and sobrang ulan at maraming fungal diseases sa strawberry. So it technically gave us a lot of different tips with regards to the weather. So yeah, as you can see, we also have data which is taken from our API, and so going back to the main menu, let's try a different scenario. Let's try Tarlac. Uh, let's let's try wheat in Tarlac. So for farming techniques, uh, and let's just wait for the AI to respond. So yan, ayusin ang petsa ng pagtatanim at gamitin ang inilisyendang abono para mas mataas ang ani. So basically, it's giving us uh, an overview on the different farming techniques that we could employ as farmers to min-max our gains from the produce that we currently have. So as you can see, nitrogen, um, let's try to plant it before the first week of December and try to watch out for sicknesses. So this is essentially what Quenchana does. It gives us an overview on different kinds of data sets and consolidates them in a way that a farmer can interact with in a constructive way. So that's a basic overview on Quenchana, and I hope you enjoyed and understood this presentation.